The new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will get a huge camera update. Samsung is preparing for a new 600 megapixel camera lens for its future flagship smartphones. The information was confirmed by a well-known insider under the nickname Ice Universe, who reported on various improvements in the camera lens and other great innovations. According to the latest rumors and leaks, the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will be equipped with world's most high-resolution camera lens and many other great features. The front and back of the smartphone will be made of glass, Gorilla Glass 6 with aluminum frame. The smartphone will be certified IP68 dust water resistant. The display technology will be 3x dynamic AMOLED touchscreen. 7 inches display with a refresh rate of 240 Hz is expected in the future flagship. The resolution of the smartphone is noted 1440 by 3200 pixels with a 20 by 9 aspect ratio as Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G received. The smartphone will be protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 6 and featured HDR10 Plus and always-on display. The newest version of the Android will be installed in the smartphone. Insiders expecting OS Android 11 with One UI latest version. The heart of the device will serve Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 processor and Adreno newest launched graphics accelerator. The smartphone will receive more than 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB and 1 TB of storage options. The main feature of the smartphone will be the camera. It will receive 600 megapixels powerful camera with a 100x zoom which will exceed the capabilities of the human eye. The smartphone will have a front camera under display anticipated technology. A symmetrical USB 3.2 Type-C will be available, but it will not receive a 3.5mm headphone jack. The fast ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner will be here. The smartphone will receive 65 watts fast charging, USB power delivery 4.0, 25 watts fast QI PMA wireless charging, 18 watts power bank reverse wireless charging, and 6000 mAh huge battery is also expected. The price of this smartphone is not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.